Hello guys, I'm here to share a project I've been working on lately using the collapsible storage containers from the Dollar Tree. Now y'all know I've hauled these on more than one occasions and I've raved about how much I like them, and I still like them. But I just have one small issue. It's not a small issue, but an issue with them here lately. I've been hauling these and they've been smelly. Over on the side, you could tell that it's been open. I didn't notice them until I got it home, but you could tell they've been open. One time it smelled like old shoes, tennis shoes were in them, and I'm not going to tell you what this one smelled like. But thank goodness I've hauled them so many times that the one I did my project with, it doesn't stink. The last couple of trips they've stunk, and I'm going to return these. Dollar Tree, you know, YouTube that gives y'all a lot of shout outs. Y'all can afford to throw these away if they've been moldy or molded. And I hope nobody is, returning them after they've used them and stuff like that. Well, anyway, let's get on with the program that y'all come here for. No, so anyway, I used this. I also used the Chick Chat stack from DCWV, and I like it because it has this colored burlap. So I used this. I also used from the Dollar Tree a bow, and I used Fabri-Tac. Now, I would suggest probably using hot glue gun. Here it is, to adhere the bow, because Fabri-Tac didn't hold, and Fabri-Tac usually holds down a lot of things, metal, anything, but this, it didn't hold it down. Maybe because I don't know why I didn't hold it down. I didn't hold it down that well this time, so maybe hot glue gun for this. I adhered everything else down with Fabri-Tac. Well, anyway, here's the front, here's the side, oops, here's the back with the burlap. Because usually this one doesn't go, but I'll usually just put a flower on and just go ahead on. But this time I wanted something a little different. See, flower. So here we are, and that's my little project, so it could sit up on my desk and be pretty when I come in my room. It was fun. I mean, you really can go to town with these things. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.